Hi Papercrafters! Welcome to another Design with Joe video. I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Today I want to share a really cute little project for you, one that's really quick and easy to make. If you've purchased gift cards for people this year, then this is a great way to package them up. So we're just going to open it up, and it's really quick and easy using some designer paper, your punches, and a little bit of ribbon. So let's get started. Here's what we're going to need for our gift card holder. A piece of cardstock, and this is Old Olive, that is 3 inches by 8 inches long. And then I have 3 pieces of designer series paper, and this is all out of one piece, and we're just going to use both sides of it. And you need one piece that is 1.5 by 2 3/4, one that is 2 1/4 by 2 3/4, and then I have just another little piece that is about 1/4 by 2 3/4. Then you're going to need some circles. So I have cut out with my layering circle dies, I've cut out one that is Old Olive, so in the third largest circle, and then the scallop that is just a little bit smaller than that. And then I cut out a 2-inch circle of Real Red and a 1.5-inch circle of Whisper White. We're going to start by scoring our cardstock. So if you take your piece of 3 by 8 inch and you're going to put it so that the 8-inch side is along the top, and you're going to score this at 1 3/4. Move it over to 1 3/4 and make sure you have your scoring blade and give that a score, and then move it to 5.5 and do the same thing. And now you're just going to fold that up along your score lines and just crisp up your edges with your bone folder, making sure that they line up nice and straight. We're going to go ahead and put on our designer series paper first, and you'll see that I have a piece here that is going to fit on the bottom, and then we're going to have a piece that goes along the top, and then we're going to also have, and that gets covered up so you don't see it, and then we're also going to have another piece on top. And you want to try and make sure that you have the same amount of space on all sides of your paper. And try and line these up so that you have, it looks like just one sort of continuous piece of paper. And then lastly, I'm going to put down a little piece of the 1/2 inch, and I'm also going to put that on with my seal and place that right over top. Now you need to pull in some tear and tape, and you are going to just put a piece here and a piece here. You don't want to put any along the top. You just want to put it on the sides. So you put your tear and tape as close to the edge as you can get, because you don't want to go into the middle, because then your gift card won't fit. Take off the backing, and you can just glue that right in place. So there's our card so far. Now we're going to layer up some circles, but we first want to do our stamping. So I have pulled in 2 stamp sets. So the first one is Itty Bitty Christmas, and there are a bunch of little sayings here that are all different fonts, which is great. And I'm going to be using this No Peeking Till Christmas. And then I'm also pulling in Banner Year, and this is out of the 2020 mini catalog, the August to December. And it's got all kinds of great little pictures here, images, and it's got this little Santa hat, and so I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to stamp my No Peeking Till Christmas right at the top, and you want to get your stamping as close to the top as possible, because we're going to be covering that up a little bit with our ribbon. And then I'm going to put my Santa hat, I think, over here, because I didn't leave myself quite enough room. So he's going to just go off to the side like that. And now we're just going to glue those together on top of, first of all, the Real Red circle. And then on top of the foil circle, the scallop circle. And then lastly, that's going to go on top of the Old Olive piece. And at this point, it doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about it being exactly straight because you can turn that any which way. Now we're going to put that down on top here, and we want to make sure that we don't glue the bottom part here because then it'll stick to the bottom of our card. So I generally just pull in some liquid glue, and I will put that just on this part right here, and that will be enough to hold it in place. And then our no peeking just goes right on top, and this is where you can center it up. And I'm looking to both sides of it here to see a little bit of this paper here to know that it's in the center. And then we're going to take a piece of old olive ribbon, and this is from the Ornate Garden ribbon pack, and we're just going to wrap that around. Now you want to make sure you do not glue this in place because it needs to move, because it's what's going to hold our gift card holder closed, and then we'll be able to pull it down like this so that we can get it open. So we'll just snip off these ends. And then this will just pull down like this, and we will pop our gift card in here and then close it up again. And there you have your gift card. Then I'm just going to pull in one of the elegant faceted gems, one of the white ones. There you go, all done. I hope you like this idea and you're going to give a few of these a try for your Christmas gift giving this year. If you do like it, please hit the subscribe button now, and then you'll get all my videos when they're posted. And if you're not yet on my mailing list, why not pop on over to www.designwithjo.ca and get yourself signed up. I post weekly tips and tricks, all kinds of designs, and all the latest news in the Stampin' Up! Paper crafting world. I'd love to have you join in there too. Thanks very much and have a great paper crafting day.